Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get rich in NBA Infinite iOS and Android 2025. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version onto your device. So it fully works, guys. So go to zoomods.com. This is like a website with apps, and once you're there, just type in NBA Infinite. And as you can see, it says NBA Infinite mod. So now we're just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. So this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So as you can see, it's just like 40 MB. It's not that big. So let's just let it download. And anyway, guys, before it downloads, there's one more step, which is a verification. So what we need to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're totally free and they're from the real app store. So as you can see right here, it says like NBA Infinite Mod Installer. Please install 2 apps. So we need to download 2 of the apps and complete the instructions. Now, what people will do is they'll download 2 apps and they won't read the instructions, and then they won't even open the apps, and they'll think that they deserve the NBA Infinite mod, but you have to actually complete the instructions on the apps. So Family Island says reach level 10, TikTok says run for 30 seconds, Dice Dream says down install complete Kingdom level 6. So make sure you actually complete these instructions. So I press tap to install, it brings me to the App Store, I download the app, I'm good to go. So personally, I did Family Island, I had to reach level 10, not that hard. So anyway, guys, once you do that, you will get the NBA Infinite modded version for 2025. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe because this actually works. And it's super cool, guys. I've tried many weird Reddit posts, linked websites. This is the only way to get NBA Infinite hack in 2025. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out.